Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Been a while since I posted anything. Posting now because after many years of being here, I think I've been here since 2014, I am finally able to be granted a permit, build permit, to go ahead and redo my driveway, and not just that, to build a garage all the way in the back. So I'll be able to work on my cars. I'll be able to do this and that. Should be nice. I haven't been able to do anything to them really in the past years that I've been living here. It's my wife's Miata. It's a 1990. Pop up and down headlights. You know what it is. I got these wheels for like $220 on eBay because they're mismatched. Many people don't even know until I tell them. It's a bronze. It's another bronze. And then I'm just charging them up because I gotta move them all out. But this is the gray. That's a bronze. The lip. I may have undid it right here. Hold on. Did I? No, we're still good. We're still operating. Okay, cool. So yeah, this is the Miata. It was really rusted out. I replaced fenders, and I did a body work right there because it was just rusted through. I had a hole in it, cut it out, and I welded a little piece onto it. Not the greatest, but hammer it in, bond over it. This is my 92 240 SX convertible. Right here, they all say special edition or limited edition. I think they all say limited edition, correct if I'm wrong. Pop up and down headlights again. You know what it is. But yeah, I've had this one. I've had these cars for at least 5 years each. The Miata's the newest. This one, I can't remember exactly when I got it, but I got this one straight out of high school. Hence, the body kit and stuff. I had molded it. It was terrible. That's a terrible decision. Don't ever mold your body kit. You don't be able to take it on and off. Yeah, two-door coupe. This is an 89. They're all KAs. This one started off as a single overhead. KA24D. Yeah, it's terrible. I have all the parts for it. I actually have a whole another front end, a spare front end, and miscellaneous parts for these cars, like a lot of parts in my basement. But the garage is actually gonna go back here. It's gonna be 26 by 30. I'll be able to fit all 3 of my 240s, hopefully. This is the one that I drive around here and there. This is another convertible, 92. See, it says limited edition right there too. It's got 17-inch ESMs, just whatever wheels, you know what I mean. I don't splurge on these cars. I barely even have time for them. Well, I have time. I just don't have where to do anything. You can see my driveway is terrible. Just have a little shed right there, and that's it. But yeah, I put a quick release on this one because people have been stealing these cars, man. So yeah, I like the quick release. Yeah, it's got eBay doubled in with navigation and stuff. Not bad. Yeah, I got that doubled in for like $40, and I'd buy it again. I think I actually bought 3 of them. I have spare boxes over there too. But it's pretty dope. I'm excited. I'm clearing everything out. I want to move these cars out, and I'm gonna go ahead and get this area all cleared up. I gotta move the shed over there, and yeah, they're gonna come through, tear everything out, pour a big slab, I gotta wait 10 days before I can even put anything on it, on the concrete again. And after that, we can start to build. I want to go ahead and document this so so it's there. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. I can't wait. I also took my truck over there. I have an 89 Silverado 2-door 5-speed TBI. So a lot of videos coming up, that's for sure. I'll actually be able to do things with my vehicles, so that'll be fun. I don't have to wait for a good day, like sunny day or anything like that. Anything you guys want to see on any of my vehicles, it's Maserati Ghibli. It's my wife's car. She loves it. It's her dream car. So yes, the house is janky, but it's about to get resited and everything. Just kind of dealing with being young, having kids, not having time. But kids are gonna start going to school here in August. So yeah, it'll be fun. Here we go. This is the beginning of a long and lengthy, as you guys know, project cars are never done, but we'll have fun along the way. So like it, comment. If you want to see anything else, let me know. I'm more than happy to show you guys anything you guys want to see. Thank you. Later.